What happens to your body if you eat an avocado every day? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of eating avocados every day and how this superfood can transform your health. If you're passionate about living a healthy lifestyle, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never missed out on our latest health tips and advice. Let's get started. Nutrient powerhouse. Avocados are often referred to as a superfood due to their rich nutrient profile. Eating an avocado every day provides a variety of essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Avocados are packed with vitamins such as vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin C, an antioxidant, supports the immune system and skin health. Vitamin E, another antioxidant, helps protect cells from damage and supports skin health. Avocados also contain several B vitamins, including B5, B6, and folate, which play a vital role in energy production, brain function, and the formation of red blood cells. The potassium content in avocados is higher than that of bananas, making them an excellent choice for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Heart health. One of the most significant benefits of eating avocados daily is their positive impact on heart health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels while increasing good HDL cholesterol. This balance is essential for maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The high potassium content in avocados helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium. Maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is crucial for reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, the fiber content in avocados can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Weight management. Contrary to the misconception that all fats are bad, the healthy fats found in avocados can actually aid in weight management. These fats help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating and snacking on unhealthy foods. The fiber content in avocados also contributes to satiety and helps regulate digestion. Avocados are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. Incorporating avocados into your daily diet can help control your appetite and support healthy weight loss or maintenance. Digestive health. Eating an avocado every day can have a positive impact on your digestive health. Avocados are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, helping to slow down digestion and promote nutrient absorption. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps prevent constipation. The fiber in avocados also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health as it supports the immune system, reduces inflammation, and improves digestion. Skin and hair health. The healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants in avocados can do wonders for your skin and hair. Vitamin E and C, both found in avocados, are powerful antioxidants that protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This helps prevent premature aging and promotes a youthful, radiant complexion. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help maintain the skin's moisture barrier, keeping it hydrated and supple. These fats also support the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure to the skin and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. For hair health, the nutrients in avocados can help strengthen and nourish your hair from the inside out. The healthy fats and vitamins support a healthy scalp, promote hair growth, and add shine and softness to your hair. Eye health. Avocados are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that are crucial for eye health. These compounds are found in the macula, a part of the retina responsible for central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin help protect the eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Including avocados in your daily diet can help maintain healthy vision and reduce the risk of eye diseases as you age. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many serious health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune diseases. The monounsaturated fats in avocados, along with their antioxidants and polyphenols, have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Eating an avocado every day can help reduce inflammation in the body, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. The anti-inflammatory compounds in avocados can also help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Discover the 10-minute recovery and renewal routines that can relieve your back, spine, or sciatica without relapse in the next 14 days. Regardless of your age, body type, or underlying cause of your issue, check the link in the description for more details. Blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, particularly for those with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. Avocados have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. The fiber and healthy fats in avocados help slow down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Incorporating avocados into your daily diet can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Bone health. Avocados are rich in several nutrients that support bone health, including vitamin K, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Vitamin K is essential for bone mineralization and helps prevent bone loss. Calcium and magnesium are crucial for maintaining bone density and strength. Eating an avocado every day can contribute to maintaining healthy bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures as you age. Improved nutrient absorption. Avocados can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and other nutrients from the foods you eat. Fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K require dietary fat for proper absorption. Adding avocado to meals can help your body absorb these essential vitamins more effectively. For example, adding avocado to a salad can significantly increase the absorption of carotenoids, antioxidants found in colorful vegetables that support eye health and reduce inflammation. Cognitive function. The healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins in avocados are beneficial for brain health and cognitive function. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help maintain healthy blood flow to the brain, supporting cognitive function and reducing the risk of cognitive decline. The antioxidants in avocados, such as vitamin E and lutein, help protect the brain from oxidative damage and inflammation, which are linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Including avocados in your daily diet can support brain health and improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Detoxification. Avocados contain glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in the body's detoxification processes. Glutathione helps neutralize harmful free radicals and supports the liver in detoxifying harmful substances. Eating an avocado every day can support your body's natural detoxification processes, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Eating an avocado every day can provide numerous health benefits from improved heart health and weight management to enhance skin and hair health. This nutrient-dense superfood is a versatile and delicious addition to any diet. By incorporating avocados into your daily meals, you can support your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of eating avocados every day, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoy the amazing benefits of avocados and stay healthy.